rolling.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and yesterday we took a look at the South African SS77 general purpose machine gun, a really fascinating, very simple, very interesting design. Side tilting bolt, like it's got elements from the FN Mag, from the Galil, from the Soviet Goryanov of all things. Really interesting gun. And because the guys at DSA are pretty darn awesome, we're taking it out to the range today to do some shooting. However, that video is not available here on YouTube. You can thank YouTube's gun policies for that one. Where it is available is on History of Weapons and War. That's the new streaming app that is available, featuring content from Forgotten Weapons and 7 other outstanding historical, educational firearms channels. It is a subscriber-based platform, no ads whatsoever, and all the sorts of content that we feel like posting. So it's available at weaponsandwar.tv. You can sign up there, download the app on your platform of choice. It's on iOS, Android, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, you name it. All the major streaming platforms, as well as available directly through the web on a laptop, desktop, or on your phone, I guess, if you want to browse a web-based one through your phone. But it is there, and it's a really cool video today on the SS77 out at the range. We have a whole playlist on History of Weapons of War of content that we couldn't post on YouTube, so you can see a bunch of other stuff over there as well. The video is available for free. If you don't feel like signing up for an awesome streaming service, you can head over to player.com, links in the description below. It is visible on Player for free, a little bit higher of a video quality there if you subscribe, but you don't have to. And the video has also already been sent out to all of my patrons. So if you would like to join Patreon for as low as $1 a month, you can get today's SS77 shooting video there. Anyway, hopefully you'll check out History of Weapons and War. We've got a ton. We've got like 4,500 videos on there from all sorts of excellent creators, great content, and hopefully I'll see you there.